choke to clear out. We'll take the diaphragm. If your console power outlet isn't working, so this is the front one on the vehicle here. It's like your cigarette lighter. If this isn't working, so right now I can't get a charge onto my phone. What we're gonna do on the Chevy, we're gonna go up inside this little drawer here, and there's a hatch, and it is fuse number 6. Our diagram is right here. It says 6 is right here on the left side. So here's fuse 6 right here. We're gonna take this one out. So what we'll do is we'll give it a visual inspection. So we'll give this fuse a visual inspection, and then we'll also test it with a voltmeter if we can't tell if it's bad. If it is bad, we're gonna take that fuse out. We're gonna replace it. We'll put a new one in. So then we'll plug in our plug, and it says it's charging now. And so we have replaced that fuse. If you continue to have a fuse issue, please check the wiring. There may be a wiring issue. Often we overdraw, and say you had a power cord in here that allowed you to plug in multiple devices. We could draw too much and we could blow that fuse. That's typically the reason why those fuses go out. So don't draw too much and you should be good. Hopefully this helps. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Click this video link to learn how to test the fuse.